Various indicators suggested Tesla is preparing for offering vehicle-to-grid capabilities on their cars, drastically increasing their value. By doing that, Tesla will make billions of dollars, and I will tell you how. Welcome. You're watching On Forward. Vehicle-to-grid, or V2G, consists of being capable to connect your electric vehicle to the grid and provide power instead of charging it. The concept of vehicle-to-grid capability on EVs isn't new, and, in fact, some automakers like Nissan and Honda already offer this feature. The battery of the car could be used to provide electricity to your house in case of a power outage, but this is not the only use case. With the increase of solar energy deployed, the electrical grid has developed a new problem. When the sun shines the most, the energy from solar panels is abundant, but in the evening, it plummets down. Unfortunately, just at that moment, people return home, and demand for electricity peaks. The grid often has overproduction of solar energy at noon, and demand peaks in the evening. So, if you can store that excess energy and provide it when it's needed, you can make a profit. There is where electric car batteries can come in handy. But how can Tesla capitalize on this? Let me show you. This idea was originally discarded by Tesla because there were two main problems. Watch JB's Trouble explain one of them in 2016.
If we want to actually send energy back from the car to the electricity grid, this gets much more complex. And that's something that I don't see being a very economic or viable solution in perhaps ever, but certainly not in the near term. The additional wear and tear and degradation on your vehicle battery has a fairly high cost.
The other problem was that this system would have limited value with a small fleet of cars. So, at that time, they said the solution was the Powerwall, since it was optimized and designed specifically for that usage. Now, in 2020, the context is totally different. Tesla has more than 1 million cars on the road, and the battery technology hasn't stopped improving. In fact, the next video will be about the million-mile battery, which is a key component of vehicle-to-grid implementation. If it is already uploaded, I recommend that you watch it when you finish this one. If you're here super early and the video hasn't come out yet, consider subscribing so you won't miss it. Although the new battery tech probably isn't in current production models, if they include it in the near future, the speed of the output is so high that in 2 more years they will have produced another million cars. And according to Consumer Reports, the average lifespan of a car is 150,000 miles. If you have a battery that lasts that much longer, better use it for something. Degradation would not be a problem in this scenario. But this is not all speculation. In 2018, Elon Musk tweeted that maybe this technology was worth revisiting. And, in my opinion, the million-mile battery would be the perfect excuse to do so. Tesla also has started test runs in Australia for making a virtual power plant, which consists on connecting houses with batteries to the grid. These batteries help stabilize it and make it much more robust in case of a power outage. Having decentralized energy production also comes with the benefit that if a tree goes down and breaks a line, there are still other connection points, and that prevents massive outages. Also, Tesla recently applied for a UK electricity provider license, so maybe there will be more testing coming there. Tesla already designed the AutoBidder software to take care of buying and selling energy depending on the price and needs of the grid. This means these batteries will be making money all the time. For example, Australia's battery pack costed $200 million and has almost paid for itself in less than 3 years. Elon talked about their cars being an investment. He was talking about autopilot, but this technology also would play a big role on increasing how much Tesla cars are worth. A typical Model 3 or Model Y would be equivalent to 4 Powerwalls of storage, which cost $26,000. So, Tesla would sell you the solar roof, the car or Powerwall, or maybe both, the Autobidder license, and Elon even mentioned he was thinking about a super efficient HVAC system, so they could sell you the whole ecosystem of products, just like Apple does. This would create virtual power plants all over the world, making the grid more robust and making Tesla billions in the process. We really should stop seeing Tesla just as an automaker. Thank you for staying this long, I really appreciate it. If you like this content, let me know by commenting or leaving a like. Here are 2 more videos that you may like. See you soon.